Welcome to Quiz RAD, where your Christmas knowledge gets tested with fun and festive challenges. Get ready for 30 exciting Christmas trivia questions, some easy, some tricky, and all full of holiday cheer. Let's see how many you can get right. Which country started the tradition of putting up a Christmas tree? Germany. What is Santa Claus called in France? Père Noël. What is the name of the red-nosed reindeer? Rudolph. Which beverage company made Santa's red suit famous? Coca-Cola. What Christmas decoration is made from a parasitic plant? Mistletoe. What gifts did the three wise men bring baby Jesus? Gold, frankincense, myrrh. In which country is Jingle Bells originally written? USA. Which popular Christmas song was written in summer? White Christmas. What do people traditionally put at the top of the Christmas tree? Star. Would you rather spend Christmas in a snowy mountain cabin or on a sunny tropical beach? Like the video if you like snowy mountain. Subscribe to the channel if you like tropical beaches. What color are the berries of the mistletoe plant? White. What traditional Christmas ballet features a nutcracker? The Nutcracker. In the 12 days of Christmas, what is given on the 5th day? Golden rings. What is Frosty the Snowman's nose made of? Button. Which reindeer's name means thunder? Donner. What Christmas plant is known for red and green leaves? Poinsettia. What is the name of Scrooge's dead business partner? Jacob Marley. What do you leave out for Santa on Christmas Eve? Milk and cookies. Which country is credited with the first Christmas card? England. Pick one. Kick one. Santa's sleigh or Rudolph's red nose. Which one would you keep? Like the video if you like Santa's sleigh. Subscribe to the channel if you like tropical beaches. Which Christmas song mentions chestnuts roasting on an open fire? The Christmas song. Where does Santa Claus live? North Pole. What animal pulls Santa's sleigh? They help Santa fly around the world. What do you traditionally hide inside a Christmas pudding? A coin. In which country is KFC a popular Christmas meal? Japan. What do the red and white colors of Christmas represent? Love and purity. What were Frosty the Snowman's last words before he melted? I'll be back again someday. What was the first company to use Santa in an advertisement? White Rock. What kind of calendar counts down the days until Christmas? Advent calendar. What Christmas decoration was originally made from silver strands? Tinsel. Great job, quiz lovers! How many questions did you answer correctly? Tell us in the comments below and challenge your friends to beat your score. Don't forget to subscribe to Quiz RAD for more fun quizzes.